Welcome. In this video, we're diving into an exciting Excel feature, Get and Transform. The challenge, streamlining data without disrupting the master file. Let's set the stage. The training schedule we're working with is maintained in a master copy. While we need to use this data, the original file must stay unchanged. Here's the key. We'll import the data into another workbook, transform it, and still maintain a connection to the master copy for updates. To start, we'll navigate to the Data ribbon and open Get and Transform. Click Get Data from File from Workbook. Locate the file, in this case our training schedule workbook. Select the sheet. You'll see a preview, and now, instead of loading, let's choose Transform Data. Welcome to the Power Query Editor. We're focusing on the location column, which has some gaps. Click the column, head to Transform, and choose Fill Down. Voila! Those empty cells are now populated effortlessly. Go to Home, select Close and Load 2. 2, pick where you want the data to appear in your workbook. Done. See how easy that was? Power Query lets you handle complex transformations while keeping your source data untouched. Say goodbye to manual updates and hello to a streamlined, efficient workflow. Stay tuned for more Excel tips to boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching.